Hey guys, we're gonna be making slime. Sorry if my hand is dirty because I made slime and it's still sorry if I call it vinegar, but I'll fix it. So that's the result of the slime. So this is the slime I have. Whoa. Sticks every time. Now that's the result of the slime I made. It was like, oh geez, so this is the I like the color, it was so nice. And it's like, oh my jeez, I can't stop poking it, okay? Because I have to start with the video. So I reach and done for that. 1 minute ASMR, and all you'll be needing is a stool to mix and something to mix in. Some school glue, I have many. Quite mixing the activator, but I'm going to be finding the baby powder, so just wait for that. Okay, so I finished finding it. It's this, you'll be needing also this one. I'm sorry if it's dirty. Okay, so maybe let's get started. Wait, I don't have to start first. I need something. I need water, so I have to get back with that. And you'll be needing the water to make it bigger. This baby powder is like if you don't have shaving cream, just use like baby powder or cornstarch, not flour. And if you have a shaving cream, then use it. So let's pour in our glue. I'm opening it. Okay, maybe that's enough. Let me check the amount of glue I have still. Oh jeez, even that's the little, it is still the same. So I'm checking my consistency of my. I like the glue. So let's start adding in some baby powder, just to make it a bit fluffy. As you see, it's like starting already. It doesn't mean because it's already activated, but just need to add a bit. Sorry if there's spill. But don't worry, I'm gonna fix this. My parents allow me to have slime and I'm selling it to my friends, and I don't understand why I have to, because they said to me sell slime, and I said okay, whatever, and I'm not gonna sell this beauty slime and this, I don't know. So I have to add a little bit water. It makes it bigger. As you see, it's turning, my glue is turning bigger with the water. Check the consistency. If it's a bit hard, it should be a bit soft. So I'm making it. There you go. I'm done adding the thing. Okay, this is the result. Keep mixing it. Okay. Yes. Now I'm adding in my activator. I don't know why is it white. Because I don't know. So don't just add too much activator. Sometimes when you add too much activator, it turns too hard. I'll make it work. I think this will turn into fail or not. Just comment down below if this will fail or not. add too much. Wait, it's a lot of meat. Okay. Maybe this is a wrong thing. So you better keep mixing it until it turns into the slightly slime as you want. I'm adding bit activator. I thought it will fail without water, but I just watching YouTube how to make your slime big and making with a small batch of glue, and you just like add water and start mixing stuff on whatever. Shaving cream. I wasted my shaving cream. Oh jeez. Well, that's alright. I found that this powder can turn like into my shaving cream, and I'm saving my whole glue. I asked my father, I need glue like that, and I don't have more channel to make. So this is the glue now. It's just keep mixing. The more you mix, just don't add activator because it will make it moldy. And it starts sticking like this way. Just don't add any activator. It gets moldy. So it's about to start activated. So I am going to not do adding activator. Come on. I would really like my experiment, yeah. I'll get back when it gets like to not stick. So I added some activator. Oh jeez, what have I done? I hope it does not get it to fail. So I started using my hand. It's not that pokey, dokey, of course. I made my slime pokey in another way, but I think I can turn this into pokey because I just only add the right ingredients, and I don't understand how this did. Oh, I'm about to say the activator. Comment down below what I was about to say, or I don't know. I hope this is going to get finished. Haters are losers. I don't care what I said, so I'm sorry to say that, haters. It depends to you, I don't care. So I think it's turning into moldy. So this is not the result. I'm gonna just turn it to soft. Just wait a minute. So I added something in here. I always do like this to make it a fast mix. As you see, it doesn't stretch good, but I help my slime fixed. So I'll be showing you how to like okay, now that's the result. I am going to fix this weird coldy slime. I am going to, it's like vanilla creamy. So I am gonna be cleaning my container to mix in, and for mixing. So I'll get back soon. So I will show you one more tip to fix your hard slime. So maybe you shouldn't be adding too much of activator. That wasn't even right for me. So I add in warm water, not hot water. Don't worry, it won't get broken. Steam it for like little while. Sorry for making that noise. That's for me. I made this so excited. And as you can see, it's about to remove the hard parts in the slime. Clean it. Okay, so I felt it's soft. Okay, it's burning in my hand if I did it. Alright. So no, this is wrong. Come on, him. Come on, it's time. Get back to life. I want you to be smooth as a fluffy slime. Well, I don't care. So I don't want to, like, I didn't even watch on YouTube. I just guessed the ingredients. Okay, I think this is the final result. Not yet. I am going. It's still hard. Look at it. Obviously, do you feel it's hard? No. If you're saying no, I don't care. Let me fix it. I added in something. My video is longer than people's video. I can't believe my video is so I know you're saying it's not that clicky to me. So I am going to color it into I don't want to color it with red because it turns into pink, and my customer is a boy and he hates pink. I asked him. It's quite stretchy. Okay. Now I'm gonna color it soon enough. Alright, so I finished fixing it. So this is now the result of your slime. It's quite nice. So I asked him if he likes color white because I don't have too much colors. And he said it doesn't matter why because it's his favorite color to see in the slime. So I am going to call it cereal peach white. No, cereal whatever. I'm too sorry. Just give me a chance if I'm too cringy. Never mind. So this is the serving. I serve it to him now. And that's the result of the slime. Okay, so we're done, and we are done making the slime. Okay, thanks for watching, and give us subscribe, and I forgot to. No, not you. You mean the things I have to say. So just comment down below what do you want me to do, and I will show it to you how to make your slime wheel, how to make jiggly slime, how to make clicky slime. I don't understand why do I have to make clicky slime? Do I have one? And how to make fluffy slime, it's just shaving cream. How to make clear slime, then slime theirs, then I will be doing some gaming like that, blah blah blah, whatever. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel and comment down below to my video. Bye.